Today's conference, it's my privilege to introduce Mr. Amit Pratihari, Managing Director, De Beers India, and a stalwart in the realm of retail. With over 2 decades of diverse experience in apparel and luxury retailing, he has a proven track record of driving growth and innovation. A key member of the core team since 2011, Amit has played a pivotal role in driving success, combining strategic vision with unwavering dedication. Please welcome Amit.
Thank you, Kanas. Thank you for those lovely introduction. First of all, friends from media, thank you so much for taking out your time. And I see a lot of friends among here and few more new friends to meet. And I think this is a very great moment for us as an organization. And if you look at De Beers history, it's been a company with a legacy of 136 years of us being the world's largest diamond mining company. And more importantly, it is a company that is built on responsibility. When we talk about responsibility, it's about responsibility towards the community we work with and also in the environment we mine our diamond. And when it comes diamond, it is critical to understand that how rare the diamond is. And if you look at diamond, how they are formed, it takes billions of years to form a diamond and under the mother earth, under high temperature, high pressure, and with this volcanic eruption they come out. Okay? And thanks to mankind, they discovered diamond. Because there is no substance or product in this earth that took billion years to form and it continued to be there for billions of years. And India, when you talk about India, like India gives an amazing opportunity for brand that looks for design, craftsmanship and trust. And I think today's our partnership is based on that. And we are absolutely great honor to partner with Tanishq, which is of course, I would say it's a very family jeweler for me itself, like my wife, my mother-in-law, my mother, everybody has been buying from Tanishq. And I think those values has brought us together. And if you look at about
more meaningful, we talk about meaningful jewelry. And the other piece that we have done there is we have also shown how in a transparent and authentic manner the customer can be sure that what she is buying is a Tanishq diamond and it will retain its value not just because it's natural or it has got better light performance, but also because it comes with its own unique identity number, it can be seen, it is visible. So today we are very happy to announce that we are launching the Tanishq Diamond Expertise Center on this special event, which we will have a beautiful event later on. And it is my pleasure to launch this in front of all of you, and over the next 2 years we will put up 500 such expertise centers in every Tanishq showroom, so that every customer who is experiencing diamonds and diamond jewelry goes back with a greater sense of trust and purpose. Thank you and warm welcome.
And elegance that natural diamonds represent. Please welcome the ever-graceful Miss Universe 1994 and film star Sushmita Sen, and the fiercely talented Fatima Sana Sheikh, famed for her numerous roles in leading Bollywood films. Their charisma and integrity embody everything we stand for today. Thank you both for joining us. You look radiant in those sparkling diamonds. Thank you so much. Sushmita, would you like to start with a few words?
Hi, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Namaste. कैसे हैं आप लोग? इसके बाद फोटो करके पक्का.
ऐसा नीचे ही रखना पड़ेगा, ऊपर मत लेना.
It is an absolute pleasure and a privilege to be here. आप सबको पता ही है that I have a romance with natural diamonds. I've always had it. It is something that I've celebrated myself with. जब लोग कहते थे ना commitment पे diamond मिलता है, so I committed to myself. And I got myself that wonderful rock that I celebrate every day of my life. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. Because whenever I get to then associate with a wonderful team, a very reliable, trustable team like the family of Tanishq, every single time I feel like I'm also bringing to people a magical something that will change their lives. So it's wonderful to be here and wonderful to be in the company of such wonderful people, especially my Fatima, who has been gossiping with me continuously. वो gossip मैं आपको नहीं बता सकती, but here comes Fatima.
गॉसिप के लिए हम बात करें आपको भी बताएंगे बट आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इन्होंने तो इतनी खूबसूरती से बोला है मैं उतना नहीं बोल पाऊँगी बट सच है बट एज अ कंज्यूमर मेरा बड़ा सिंपल क्राइटेरिया होता है कि अगर मैं डायमंड खरीदूंगी तो उसकी चमक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बाकी चीज़ें मुझे समझ में नहीं आती कि अगर वो शाइन ब्राइट करता है उसकी चमक अच्छी है तो दैट मीन्स इट्स करेक्ट फॉर्म
बेसिकली हम दोनों साथ जाएंगे शॉपिंग बिकॉज आई जस्ट रियलाइज वो सिर्फ चमक देखेंगी और मैं जो है मैं देखूंगी कि ये नेचुरल डायमंड है कि नहीं है तो आई थिंक दोनों को साथ जाना चाहिए क्या कह रही हैं आप
पर इन लोगों ने आसान कर लिया ना हमारे लिए नाउ दे मेक इट ईजी फॉर अस बिकॉज वो जो 4C बोलते हैं ना हमें कि क्लैरिटी एंड ऑलरेडी मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा सो ये सारी चीज़ें देखनी होती है बट व्हेन यू हैव पीपल like them and Tanishq together, you know that you are in good hands and safe hands. So I'm very excited to be here and to experience this with you guys.
Actually, I'm fascinated to know कि ये Diamond Expertise Center का idea किसका था? Because it's a brilliant idea. Whose idea was this?
Actually, to give you a honest answer, one of my colleagues who's not here, it was his idea.
It was he. Arey wow, that's impressive.
I think he's had enough experience trying to convince people. It was my colleague's idea, and
It's a good idea.
and it's been an idea that we've been working for more than a year. With our R&D team, with Divyas, and a lot of them.
थोड़ा सा दादा
So it's emerged over a labor of love.
And this labor of love is just going to be fantastic for consumers like myself. जिनको जानना पसंद है कि जो मैं खरीद रही हूँ, it is the real deal. उसकी वैल्यू क्या है? उसका जो मुझे बताया जा रहा है. And I go beyond the 4Cs. I also have to see it to believe it. And so बहुत मज़ा आता है देख के.
So tell me, Sushmita, आपने बताया कि you love natural diamonds and you believe that, like you, the diamond should also be a natural. So why do you love natural diamonds?
That's a nice question. Because I love everything that's natural. That comes from. आप हीरा कोई ले लो. बचपन से मेरे ग्रैंडफादर ने मुझसे कहा था कि वो बनो जो एक हीरा है जिसको वक्त लगता है बनने में. It's not instant. उसको वक्त लगता है लेकिन एक बार बन जाए तो उसकी कीमत कहाँ से कहाँ चली जाती है फिर उसे फैसेट्स दिए जाते हैं. फैसेट्स को हिंदी में क्या तराशा जाता है और हीरे को तराशने के बाद उसमें वो जान आती है जो आप में होनी चाहिए एज एन इंसान. सो आई थिंक
Such a beautiful analogy.
Yeah, but it's true because from a very young age, my grandfather made me believe that I was somehow a part of a diamond, like a diamond was a part of me. And so when I grew up, I have collected diamonds. I'm a collector of natural diamonds over the years. But most importantly, I think I also honor the fact that it empowers me. As a woman, when I buy diamonds for myself, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में कुछ पा लिया, कुछ कर लिया.
I think like you, every diamond has some uniqueness. You know, and maybe Amit, you could help us understand why is every diamond so unique.
So first of all, Sushmita, when you were talking about your grandfather and the story, I was a little bit carried away. Okay, and as the destiny says, you're a star. You are an example to many of us in the society who look up to you, how you lead your life, how you empower. Like my wife is a big fan of yours. So at the same time, I just to connect what your grandfather says that, and you're a star, and there is a theory, you have more diamonds in the stars than in the Mother Earth. Okay, so, and it is critical to understand how a diamond is formed. It takes billions of years, and it's because of that volcanic eruption and everything happened, and it came out, and the humankind discovered it. But if I tell you an example how rare that diamond is, if you have seen in Bombay or London double-decker bus, if you take all the diamond ever produced, it can only fill the half of the bus, and the rest is empty. That is how rare it is. And if you talk about 1 carat of diamond, the bigger sizes, it can only fit in a basketball, entire 1 carat of diamond ever produced. That is how rare it is. So every time you look into your jewelry, actually it is more than the glow. It holds your stories, it stores your memories, and that's why it is called the ultimate symbol of love.
And that is true only for natural diamonds.
Only for natural diamonds.
Beautiful. That is beautiful.
And diamonds are so unique, like if you technically, there is no diamond that is equal same to each other.
Yeah,
ऐसा होना भी नहीं चाहिए जब दो इंसान एक जैसे नहीं हो सकते. We're so unique and so rare ourselves. Why should our diamonds be any different, right?
and that's what lab grown diamonds वो सब फीके क्यों लगते हैं? I mean, as a consumer, I would be drawn towards natural diamonds because of the history. Like everything that you said right now, it makes it even more special. As a person who wants to connect to stories, and as actors, हम लोग stories के, not only actors, सारी जितने भी human beings हैं, हम stories से ही connect करते हैं. And when there is so much of history attached to a stone, and it may seem like it's just a stone, but it's not.
So you touched a very important topic about which Ajay also spoke about, about synthetic product. Okay, that is synthetic diamonds and so it is interesting, like if you understand how diamonds are formed, you don't need a trained eye to differentiate between a natural diamond and a synthetic product diamond, because the way it is formed, an untrained eye can actually identify it. But the challenge comes when it is polished. And I think that is why Tanishq Diamond Expertise Center, what they are creating.
I have to interrupt. So the fun part was, दो machines हैं यहाँ पे. Did you guys see?
Did you get a chance to see?
Okay, we'll go for a walk. Okay. So वहाँ पर एक light detector है, नहीं, एक synth detector है और एक light scope है. हाँ, मैं सीख रही हूँ ये. तो वो जो synth detector है, उसमें आप हीरे को रखकर, क्योंकि हमने इसके साथ ट्राई किया, आप देख सकते हो कि आपका डायमंड नेचुरल है या कुछ और है. सो ये बहुत आसानी से दिख गया. ये मैंने पहली बार देखा है, which was very very interesting. And you saw the one with the light scope.
Yeah, it was so exciting because like I said before also, it's so tough for a consumer, because अगर हमें बोला गया कि नेचुरल हम मान जाते हैं, और मैं तो बहुत गले बोलूँ, मुझे बोलेंगे ये सच है, बहुत अच्छा सच्ची होगा. मैं तो मतलब होगा, सच्ची होगा, असली होगा. So हम जैसे लोगों के लिए it's so important now to know that there is something that I can trust, and it's not just किसी के शब्दों से मैं believe कर रही हूँ, but actually there is a process, and that's so assuring.
But tell me, that is to say natural or lab. But what finally draws you to the diamond is the chamak.
Yeah.
And there is another, आपने बताया, there
आपने
is
मुझसे
another.
क्यों नहीं पूछा what draws me to the diamond?
आप तो natural.
नहीं आप please
You
पूछो ना,
because-
पूछो ना.
तो मैं
What
natural
draws me to a natural diamond?
What draws you?
The size.
The size.
The size of the diamond matters.
Imagine the bigger you go, the rarer it is.
I know, I have to.
Then he'll tell you that it will fit into a table tennis club.
Yes, that's right.
No, but
That was an eye-opener though, I couldn't have imagined.
Absolutely, and thanks to technology today, the whole detection can happen. But if you look at the natural beauty, it is absolutely rare, and that goes. And again, the only thing what man can do to the diamond is to cut it, so that the brilliance comes in. So every time you're talking about a grandfather's story, it was actually the diamond journey, what I was mentioning.
so tell me, when you talk about the sparkle or the attraction, the light performance of did you get a chance to see the light scope which the Tanishq Diamond Expertise Center has got?
Yes.
And in that you can see the fire and the scintillation, and you see it is what is the magic in the diamond. You said about the size of the diamond. the bigger the size, the greater is the light performance variability you can see, and you can see it in that screen. I think now you don't need to worry about 4Cs. Only say chamak kitni hai.
चमक कितनी है दिखा दो और
But
मशीन
I think in a nutshell, ये तो मानना पड़ेगा that a diamond, it holds time. It takes billions of years to be created, to come to be what it is. And then it comes to you as your personal legacy. And that's beautiful.
इतने
That
अच्छे से
stays
बोलोगे तो मैं
for
प्यार में
billions
पड़
of
जाऊँ
So you know,
इतने अच्छे से बोलोगे तो मैं प्यार में पड़ जाऊँ
मैंने मना कब किया है? पढ़ो.
but the love for diamonds is one. The rarity of the diamond is there, and also the way in which we maybe select which diamonds go into our jewelry. But ultimately, you're not wearing diamond; you're wearing jewelry.
and that is what sorry I got so excited even I got very excited
Say something according, I got to know, and he'd be so proud of me saying this again. कि अगर, if you imagine, of all the diamonds in the world, only 12% is available for human consumption. For us, humanity. ठीक है? 12%. उसमें से भी 5% is what? Tanishq uses.
So that's why Ajay was talking about the selectivity, the selective standards what you're looking at.
That's incredible.
And
those numbers.
what Fatima, you told that when you go to the store, you want to see the process, whether it's genuine or not. And in industry, like what Tanish is bringing in is that transparency is the new luxury. Yeah, so
But I want to come back to the jewelry.
and that's why I got
So
excited
did you
about
get a
it.
chance to see the ethereal wonders and the
Yes.
rarest of rare? She's wearing one of the rarest of rare.
I've given it a name, guys. I have my own name for it. मेरे को बोलना allowed है क्या?
बोल दिया.
I've called it Cleopatra SS. अब वो SS क्यों है वो आप लोग जानते ही हैं. But Cleopatra, I think it just looks so regal and full of heritage, and it's beautiful and one of a kind.
So what did you all feel about the jewelry that you saw, which we are calling ethereal wonders, and which is designed and shaped around the uniqueness of the stone, not just the diamond but the color
Uniqueness,
stone.
and that's so special क्योंकि हर एक jewelry अलग है and it speaks to you. And if a jewelry doesn't speak to you and if the diamond doesn't speak to you, then कितना भी सुंदर हो, it's not yours. You don't feel like it's your own, and that's why it's special. And you know कि ये खाली आपके पास होगा और किसी के पास नहीं होगा. And it is made for you. That's so special.
Jewelry definitely speaks to you. Thank you very much for a very interesting tete-a-tete. I'm sure all of you found it incredible. I request all our dignitaries to stand for a photo op.
ओ दादा ये बैठ के तुम लोग बैठ के हाँ बैठो ये मोबाइल थोड़ा खाली
Let's all look in the front first. So for all the photographers in the front row.
ये पीला टी शर्ट
अरे पासिंग गिम्बल
भाई हो गया हो तो बैठ जाओ मैं आपके आगे आऊँ
फातिमा सेंटर
थैंक यू थैंक यू
सेंटर
मैम सेंटर
फातिमा सेंटर
सेंटर मैम मैम सेंटर मैम भाई तू बैठ जाना ए
Members of the media, thank you very much for joining us today. Please experience the Diamond Experience Center and join us for some high tea.
अरे छोड़ो नहीं कुछ नहीं जाना
क्या बात है
मोबाइल
ए महेशवा
चालू कर तू तिकडे पण तिकडे कशाला घेतो ते एवढं चांगले शॉट मिस करतो मला तू चालू ठेवून गेलाय मला माहित नाही अरे ओ लेकिन हा
Thank you everyone once again.
चालू दे मी तरी ऑन करून ठेवला
मैंने एक इंटरव्यू